Hey everybody, welcome back to Bobby Builds It. Today we're going back to the 2x4 pumpkin patch for a beginner-friendly project that I think will pack a big old profit. Let's get to it. Now you may have seen something like this on Etsy from anywhere at 20 to 40 bucks. We're not stopping at a pumpkin though. We're going to make this into a jack-o'-lantern. I've already done most of the cutting on the miter saw. We have one piece at 6.5 inches, two pieces 8.5 inches, two pieces at 10.5 inches, two pieces at 12.5 inches, and one piece at 14.5 inches. Pause right here for a cut list, and there's your free plans. Now we have a choice to make. You can find the center of every board, line them up, and be all perfect. We know that's not what I do here. But I am going to mark them to try to keep some consistency when I put it back together here in a minute. Good enough. Cut out the eyes, we're going to use the miter saw. We're actually going to set it to a 45-degree bevel. Got the saw set up on the 45-degree bevel. Where I was going to hold it is way closer to the blade than I really want my hand to be. So I set up my clamp here. Just the same size, same thickness piece of wood and something to hold them together. I've done my test run to make sure nothing's going to be in the way of the blade. Let's make the first cut. And of course I forgot to hit record. But there's the first cut. And just undo the clamp. Turn your board around. And get it set back up. We're going to have to move it over some. Here's the second cut. All right, now you should have two pieces that look like that and one that looks like this. Put that like there. Sort of line up that middle line. Then put these two here. Oops, I forgot to consider when I was pulling this piece and flipping it like that to get our triangle that it was going to extend the board. Geometry teachers everywhere are just not happy with me. To fix this, you can, hey, just leave it like it is, go with it, see how it ends up looking. It's a jack-o'-lantern. You could also shave off from here, cut some of that out of the middle, whatever you want to do. I'm leaving it as is, and we're just going to see how it turns out. Next, on the 14-inch board, I'm just going to sort of sketch out where I think a few teeth should be. And then shade here, here, here. I'm going to put another line here. There. Everything, everywhere shaded where I'm going to remove material. And then we're going to come down to the 12.5-inch board and do something similar for the bottom teeth. I'm going to remove that, remove that, remove that, and remove that. Just draw it up however. All my teeth are laid out. Where I've got the squiggles, I know it's hard to see, that's where I'm going to remove material. I've transferred the lines up so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to use one of these setup blocks to set my blade height. I'm doing that in case I need to stop tonight because I run out of daylight. You can see I got some weird stuff going on with the lighting as it is, so you can see. That way I know where it is. When lower the blade back down, I can put it right back instead of guessing. Also, I'm using affiliate links now. These will be down below. Please check them out. Okay, let's cut some dados. Remember, with crosscuts, keep your fence way over there out of the way. Now, got the first two cut. Lining up the last one, that's all the more of my miter gauge that I have to hold this up against. So we're going to be smart and use the other slot. Glue has had roughly 24 hours to dry, and if you were wondering if it was strong enough to hold without doing any clamps, there you go. Let's get to sanding. Here we are, all sanded up. I only did it to 80 because all I was really trying to do was knock splinters and sharp edges off and where I had some tear out and all that kind of stuff. Now, it is time for your scrap pile to shine. Go find you a couple of pieces like this. Yeah, really just whatever you have laying around over there. We need something to lift the candles up closer to the holders, I think. Now, if this is something you're going to sell, find something nice. A little rub there. Here is our end result, our jack-o'-lantern. In case I didn't specify earlier, these pieces of scrap wood were to put the candles on, like so. And obviously, the more spare scrap wood you put back there, the more candles you can put on. Time to see how it looks in the dark. And there you have it, a jack-o'-lantern that won't rot. Just the 2x4 versions, like I said, I saw on Etsy between $20 and $40. Probably add another 10, 15 for your labor here. And go get you some money for the Halloween candy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And check out those affiliate links. It really helped out the channel. Y'all have a good one.